Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, if this right here is the end of a pullback, that means that this needs to be a wave one, this is a wave two, and this needs to be a wave three, which means it needs to maintain very strong movement to the downside. It also needs to go down and break this structure level from the daily time frame. If it does anything besides that, as in it breaks structure to the upside on shorter time frames, we'll know that it is not a wave three and that it potentially is a wave C, and it's going to make a whole other leg to the upside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, so we're trying to determine whether this current wave down is a wave three or a wave C. If it breaks structure, which my current structure is right here, if it breaks that level to the upside with momentum, then in my eyes, it cannot be a wave three because a wave three is supposed to be a big, strong wave. So if it does break, that means that this is not a 1, 2, 3, but it's an ABC. And if it is an ABC, it would go up and take out these previous highs most likely. Definitely doesn't have to do any of that. It definitely still could be a wave three. So if it makes a lower high or like an equal high and pushes down really hard, I would definitely continue to look for shorts until the market tells you otherwise. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.